Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to add reverb in FL Studio. But before we get started, let's take a listen to our track without any reverb applied.
Times you make me angry, but I know that it could always be worse, be worse, be worse. Baby, now I'm trying to forget you. Baby, I know everything.
Now, let's add that reverb effect. To do so, simply double-click on the track containing your audio. This will open up the audio clip settings where you can make adjustments. From here, assign your audio to a track, let's say, track 2. Next, open up the mixer by clicking on this button. Then select the track where you inserted your audio. Now let's add the Fruity Reverb 2 to any of the available slots. You'll see the reverb settings pop up. Now, let's create a reverb echo effect. Start by increasing the wet volume like this. Then, boost the early reflection volume similarly. Finally, lower the dry volume like so. And there you have it. Now, let's take a listen to the effect. With just a few adjustments, you've successfully added reverb to your track, giving it depth and atmosphere.